welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making orange cookies. We often make these for Easter in our family and they're amazing. So yeah, let's get started. Yippers. That way. For this recipe you will need flour, sugar or saka, shortening, baking soda, baking powder, salt, milk, orange, and an egg. So now what you should want to do is add all your dry ingredients, your sugar, your baking powder, baking soda, and your salt. And you add the flour as well. And then mix. Now you stir until it's all combined, and then you add your shortening. Add your shortening. And your orange mixture. Now stir. So we have to add more flour. Look at this beauty. Okay, now we're gonna try these orange cookies. The thing I love about these cookies is how soft they are. And there's just like the perfect amount of everything. Like the orange is not super overpowering, it's just like the perfect amount, and then you have the icing and the coconut and it just all works together so well. I just love them. Yep, these are a favorite in our family. We really love these cookies. At Christmas time or Easter, we bring these and everyone always enjoys these like crazy. They're really delicious. And usually I don't like orange stuff, but these cookies are really, really good. I would definitely suggest you guys try them. Was it okay? I inhaled a piece of coconut. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please comment down below if you tried the recipe and how your recipe turned out. Any suggestions at all what we should make in our next video would be great. Happy Easter, everyone. Bye. See you next time.